What if I told you the biggest reason you can't wake up early isn't laziness? Every night you tell yourself tomorrow will be different. You set your alarm feeling motivated and ready to change your life. Then morning comes, the alarm rings, and your brain whispers, just 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes don't just steal your morning, they steal your momentum, your discipline, and eventually your future. Here's the truth. You don't have a motivation problem, you have a system problem. Today I'll show you 6 simple science-backed habits that make waking up early feel easier, without relying on willpower. Let's get started. Step 1. Make your alarm impossible to ignore. If your alarm is right next to your bed, you've already lost. Your brain will hit snooze before you're even fully awake. Instead, place your alarm across the room. That one simple change forces you to get on your feet, and once you're standing, staying awake becomes much easier. Step 2. Win the night before. Great mornings don't start when the alarm rings. They start the night before. Stop scrolling at least 30 minutes before bed. Dim the lights, relax your mind, and write down one important goal for tomorrow morning. When you wake up with a clear purpose instead of a question, getting out of bed feels a lot easier. Remember, discipline doesn't begin at sunrise, it begins the night before. Step 3. Own the first 10 minutes. The moment you wake up, don't touch your phone. That's how you lose focus before your day even begins. Instead, drink a glass of water, open the curtains, and move your body for just 1 minute. A few stretches or jumping jacks are enough to help you feel more awake and ready to start the day. Step 4. Wake up for a reason. Let's be honest, nobody wakes up early just because an alarm goes off. People wake up because they have something worth getting out of bed for. Maybe it's building your business, getting stronger, learning a new skill, or creating the life you've always wanted. When your purpose is stronger than your excuses, waking up early stops feeling like a struggle and starts becoming a habit. Step 5. Never miss twice. Everyone oversleeps sometimes. That's normal, but don't let one bad morning become a bad habit. 1 missed day is a mistake. 2 missed days become a pattern. Just get back on track the next morning. Step 6. Make waking up feel like a reward. Enjoy your mornings, have a great cup of coffee, go for a walk, read a few pages, or simply enjoy the quiet before the world wakes up. The more your brain enjoys your mornings, the easier waking up becomes. Here's the truth. Your future isn't built overnight. It's built every morning when you choose discipline over comfort. Tomorrow, when that alarm goes off, you'll have 2 choices. Hit snooze and stay the same, or get up and become the person you've always wanted to be. The choice is yours. If you're ready to take control of your mornings, comment "I'm in." And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.